Your iPhone lock screen might look neat, but it's missing something important. Your name. If your phone ever gets lost, this small detail can make it easier for someone to return it. Many iPhone users overlook this, not knowing how helpful it can be. The good news, it only takes a few seconds to set up. Let's add your name to the lock screen now. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, tap on General, then tap on About. Here you'll see the name option. Tap on it. Now enter your name here. After that, tap Tick Mark from the keyboard. And your name has been added. And now you have to add this name to your lock screen. To do that, lock your screen first, then tap on the power button. Now press on Empty Place on the screen. Enter your passcode if it asks, then tap on Customize here. Now tap on Add Widgets. Scroll down, find the batteries, tap on it. Here you need to choose both. Then close it. Again tap Close. Now tap Done from the top right corner. Now check your lock screen, and here it is. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and take care.